Using Laybuy in-store is simple and convenient. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up your Laybuy account. If you don't have an account, sign up on the Laybuy website or download the Laybuy app. Complete your profile, and Laybuy will run a soft credit check to set your spending limit. Find participating retailers. Laybuy partners with select in-store retailers. Check the list of participating stores via the Laybuy app or website to see where you can use the service. Generate a Laybuy barcode. Before making a purchase, open the Laybuy app. Navigate to the in-store section and select Generate Barcode. A unique barcode will be created for you to use at the retailer's checkout. Make your purchase. When you're ready to pay, show the cashier the barcode generated by Laybuy. The cashier will scan the barcode, and your purchase will be processed through Laybuy. You will be asked to make the first of 6 weekly payments at the time of purchase. Manage payments. After the first payment, Laybuy will automatically deduct the remaining 5 weekly payments from your linked card or bank account. You can track and manage payments in the Laybuy app.